Hello guys, this is Erica Sims and I am here today with my good friend Glen Marino with First Centennial Mortgage, and we are here to actually give you guys some information on how you can become homeowners in 2019. So
Erica, this year, 2019, is a real exciting year. I mean, the rates are still relatively low. The programs are there for people to become first-time home buyers through down payment assistance programs. And we're here today to bring to you what are these down payment assistance programs and how do they help make these people homeowners.
yes.
The biggest market that you and I have seen out there is first-time home buyers, millennials. They still want to be a part of the American dream. The rents keep going up and up, and they're going, I need to, or I want to become a part of the American dream, homeownership.
Right.
When they look at it, a lot of them have at least first month's rent in the bank. They have the security deposit in the bank. So again, let's say they have $1,500 in a security deposit, $1,500 in rent. They've got $3,000 sitting in the bank.
Yeah.
But then when they look at buying, they go, okay, if it's a $200,000 home and the minimum down payment is 3.5%, they go, 3.5 on 200,000, $7,000. They go, Erica, Glenn, come on. I said I got 3,000 in the bank, not 7,000 in the bank. Just show me another rental unit I can't buy.
Right.
Well, the important thing to know here is that in 2018, the state of Illinois, through the Illinois Housing Development Authority, came out with 3 separate down payment assistance programs. A $6,000 program that's forgivable,
Nice.
forgivable over 10 years. The $7,500 down payment assistance program gives them $7,500, a zero interest loan, no payments, no interest, no payments for 30 years, or whenever they sell the house. So again, here's $7,500, go buy a house, and no one's going to ask you for any payments until you sell the house 20 years later.
Right.
Great program.
Yeah.
Third program is $10,000, in which it's a zero interest loan, but you're going to pay back just principal only over a 10-year period. So it's $83.33 a month.
Okay.
And so most of the time when I'm talking to, probably you that do the same, when we're talking to these renters, I go, well, what does it cost you if you were to take your significant other out, have a glass of wine, have a nice meal? And they say, well, Glenn, it's going to cost me $60, $80, $100, depending upon where we go. I go, can you give up one of those meals a month? So you got $83.33, and I'll give you $10,000. Go, $10,000, give up one meal a month. We're in. Now let's go take a look at a house now.
Let's go.
So what Eric and I want to do with today's video is show you how you can become a homeowner. Because again, typically if you're renting, they got that first month's rent.
Right.
They got that security deposit. So they got $3,000 typically sitting in the bank ready to go.
Yeah.
If they have a 640 or better credit score, which, wouldn't you agree, most renters have at least a 640 score?
Yeah, it's pretty fair.
And they must have household income-wise under $101,520. That's a big number. Wouldn't you say most renters have under $101,520 in their income?
Yeah, most of my clients, yep.
So if they meet those 2 green lights, the only other qualification is they, the buyers, have to come up with 1% of their own funds. Well, 1% of $200,000 is $2,000.
$2,000.
So again, let's go back to, okay, we said that the down payment on a $200,000 home is $7,000. We always have to ask the question, who pays? Well, if all you have to come up with, buyer, is $2,000, and you're using the $10,000 program, zero interest loan from the state of Illinois, because you had a 640 or better score, you'd make less than $101,520, you get $10,000, you're going to use $5,000 of the $10,000 towards your $7,000 down payment, which leaves you only with $2,000. So they can either spend $2,000 of their own money to buy a $200,000 home, or they can spend $3,000, give it to a landlord, and own nothing. So again, great program, because remember, we only use $5,000 of the $10,000. Second bucket of cash that's required in any real estate transaction is the closing costs, and those are typically about $5,000.
Right.
They still have $5,000 left over from the down payment assistance program from the state of Illinois, and that covers all their closing costs.
Very cool.
So once again, they're buying a $200,000 home, spending $2,000 for the down payment, spending $0 for the closing costs, and they're out there looking and shopping for houses with you. I mean, it sounds like a pretty great deal.
Sounds like a really great program, Glenn, and thank you for explaining to my clients and future clients an easier way for them to be homeowners in 2019. So if you guys want to take advantage of this program, which I highly advise you to, you can reach me at 773-842-8558. And my email is ericahomesmart@gmail.com. And Glenn, share your information so they can contact you.
Absolutely. To get pre-approved for free, because Erica needs a pre-approval letter to take you out shopping, is call me at area code 630-983-3604 or email me at g.marino, that's M-A-R-I-N-O, at gofcm.com. We look forward to greeting you, and helping you get a part of the American dream. And Eric and I will see you next week for another video number 2.
Thank you guys for listening. Have a great one.
Have a great day.